this will work. I need to get a bucket of water. I'm probably gonna need my sleeves untucked. Whew, cold down here. So, dunk my head in the hot water upstairs. And come downstairs. I know I got a glob of coconut oil. It's so freaking frozen. Oh, it's like living in a fridge down here, which is good for my immune system. Haha. Yeah. Let that melt for a sec. Self-care. This is how it turns into a head massage. Now, when I get to my face, I'm really excited. Let's do it now. Oh. Okay, your sinus glands are right here. Okay, push in and over to open them. And as you massage them, you'll start to understand that they're no different than your back muscles. They feel like bone. And as you apply pressure, you'll start to break up the muscle knots. Oh, and your face will get so much more oxygen through your sinuses. Just in general, you'll get more facial expressions when you feel. Oh, feels. Nice. Ugh, crunchy on this side. Wow. Get a little bit more. Do the beard. So, that's how I do it. If you're camping, I'm camping. I am camping. Kind of. Oh yeah, it's safe to get in your eyes, and it cleans your skin. Antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, whatever. Good for chapped lips. Good for shaving cream. Good for cooking. Because it doesn't burn, or as they say in the other industry, go rancid at high temperatures. Butter is okay. Butter, my thing with butter is I don't have an issue with butter when I cook, because I cook at such low temperatures. The butter does not burn. Butter's another one. If you cook your eggs past like 2 or 3, your butter's gonna burn. Could you shave like this with butter? Maybe, probably. Oh, this is cool. I don't even need a mirror. I have my camera. Oh, now I'm gonna have to pause and get a water bucket to rinse this razor. Let's see how we do. Oh, it's fresh. And so if I didn't have the running water, I'd use a water bucket. And I'd dump it over my head, and I'd do it this way anyway, as I did before. Last time I used the electric razor now, because I had not dug out my beautiful, beautiful coconut oil. Or my razors. They were actually the last thing I found. Still never found that bus pass my dad claimed he gave me. Still never found the $100 he said he claimed he gave me. I don't know where they went. Figured I'd find it as I packed. I never found them. Figured I'd find them as I unpacked. I never found them. So, suspicious as the mindset goes, I'm going to assume it's here somewhere. Or that I dropped it, or set it down somewhere. And that there's no foul play, and that it'll come to me when I need it. I don't need the bus till Tuesday, Sunday. Works pretty good when the skin's so wet. I gotta go rinse this now. Oh, we're due for part 2.